Hello, my name is Swissbianco. This time I would like to show you the new colors of the Swiss florist knife. This traditional Swiss army knife has only one single blade. It's used by florist people in Switzerland and Europe all over the place. It's, as I say, traditional. So Victorinox did go ahead and make some new versions out of it with different scales. The scales are made out of plastic in 4 new colors. This one is lime green, pink, blue, and lavender. What is special on this knife is that the rivets are made out of brass and the logo is not silver printed but gold printed. It's simple to use, you just open it, it has no lock, it's just a spring that holds it.